Hello guys, I'm reviewing the 2015 through 2017 Dark Horse conversion. It comes in 8 pieces. So the bottom, top, and side grille. The side vents, this bottom. And this nice little conversion. Because it is a little wider than the original bumper. It just helps hold it in place. I might have this backwards. I ended up buying new bolts for it, just stainless steel. I wanted it to be a little more stable. The ones it came with were a little flimsy. Plus there were screws, and I just wanted bolts to be a little more secure. It doesn't come with with a housing to put the turn signals. I mean, the original comes with the turn signals are actually built into the lights. But even then, you know, I did want them. You could definitely tell this is the first batch. It has a little bit of quirks. As you can see, the the seal doesn't fit in all the way, only on the sides for some reason, and none of them really match up. You know, something that they're probably gonna fix. And me, with my infinite wisdom, ended up using galvanized metal. But this is just a prototype, just to kind of hold it until I get it 3D scanned and get something made, or until I figure something else out. I mean, if you guys have a better solution, let me know. Yeah, so. And I will put at the very end of the video, right here, what it looks like at night with the lights on, all installed. Yeah, well, thank you for watching, guys. Have a good one.